Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Today is Tuesday, and my son had a game today. Even though the hurricane is coming, they still had a game today. They only played 2 quarters because the other team was late. It was getting dark, but the storm is supposed to hit us like late Wednesday, early Thursday. So right now we're basically just waiting. So thank you to everybody that sent your prayers this way, thinking about me and my family. Thank you. And if you guys are affected by the storm, we're praying for you guys as well. So like I said, we just got back from the game. Rain's here. So as of today, we're good. No rain, no wind, no nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated as best as I can. Y'all gonna ride this storm out with us. So I'll see y'all when something start happening. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go up front and get a little bit of work done. It's a little chilly in the house. So I have on this black cardigan that I love so much. And y'all, guess where it's from? Walmart. So thank you so much, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. Y'all know fall is here. Sweater weather is here, my favorite time of the year. So I had to grab this really cute cardigan. It is very affordable. It was under $20. I know I'm going to get a lot of questions about it. I will have the link to this in the description box below. And y'all know, once I like something, if they have it in a different color, I have to grab it in a different color. So let me try the other one on for y'all. Hold on. So of course I had to get it in a different color. Now this one, oh, it's so cute. It's so nice and soft. I am in love. I did get these in a 2X because I like mine to be a little oversized. I love when they kind of, you know, hang off the hands like this. I just think it's so cute. But I love this one. I think this one is my favorite. I love this cream one. It's super, super cute. And you know, you could dress these up, down, whatever you want to do. I like to wear mine like a nice, cozy, chill vibe. So yeah, love these a lot. Really, really, really cute. Nice and affordable is the key, okay? While I was shopping, I found this really pretty fuchsia. It's like a fuchsia pink, or like a hot pink. It kind of looked like a hot pink on camera, but super cute sweater. It has the scoop neck, really, really, really soft and cozy. It's inside out because I had to try it on to make sure I was getting the right size. But y'all, this is so cute. Super cute. Look at that. So cute. Let me try this one on for y'all so y'all can see how cute this one is. And like I said, I will have the link to these sweaters in the description box below because y'all know sweater weather is here. But if I didn't have a dress on, I would probably tuck it under to make it like a little high-low moment. Look at that. So cute. I love this color. This is so cute. And this one is also in an extra large because like I said, I love it to be oversized. Just a nice little cozy vibe. I love this. Y'all tell me this is not cute. I know you can't say it. So thank you again, Walmart, for sponsoring this video, and I will have all the links in the description box below for you guys to shop because the fall time is here and I'm excited. Okay, y'all, so we're on my balcony. I'm gonna let y'all listen to the wind. Obviously I can't show y'all too much, but It is drizzling just a little bit. This is what my balcony is looking like. It's a little wet. The winds are starting to pick up. I'm getting ready to move these chairs right here because I don't want them to blow off of the balcony and hit anyone's car. So yeah, this is all of the rain that I'm dealing with right now. Not that much happening. It's expected to hit tomorrow, but it's getting a little windy. The winds are starting to pick up, so I'm gonna pull these chairs inside. Hey y'all, let me turn this light down a little. Today is Thursday, and the storm is almost here. I think the storm slowed down when it was in Tampa because it was supposed to be here. First they said like 3 o'clock Thursday morning, so while we were asleep. But the last time I checked, they said the storm had slowed down and it was in St. Augustine. It was supposed to be here later on tonight is when they said that it was supposed to be here, like I think like 8 o'clock or something like that. So we're not experiencing a lot of rain. It just started really raining today, really windy, but it's kind of been like on and off. We're not experiencing any power outages, flooding, anything like that. The lights did flicker on and off like twice. I pray that we don't lose power because I hate that. I hate losing power, but I'm gonna quiet down for a second so y'all can hear like how windy it is outside. I might take y'all on my my balcony. Of course I can't show y'all nothing for privacy purposes, of course, but yeah, we're okay. We're just basically waiting it out. They don't want anybody on the roads today. I think it's like 45-50 miles per hour winds, so it's pretty windy outside. So yeah, we haven't really been doing much, just watching the news, keeping everybody in my prayers that were in the areas that were highly affected. I've seen all of the footage on the news, and my prayers go out to y'all. But so like I said, we're just riding the storm out. Nothing much we can do. They said like tomorrow it should be back sunny, and you know, everybody's fine to go wherever. So I think it will leave by early tomorrow morning or something like that. So they're expecting sunshine and blue skies tomorrow, so everything should be back to normal for us here in Jacksonville. I know some parts of Jacksonville, they said like usually like Riverside, San Marco area really floods out because we have those rivers over there. But I haven't heard anything about that yet. Well, the storm hasn't really hit us yet, so we're gonna keep them in our prayers. But I'm gonna go in the kitchen and fix myself some coffee really quick. It's pretty late. Me and my husband been in the bed all morning. Because when he's here, I'll stay in the bed. Like, if he stay in the bed, I'll stay in the bed. So y'all know I never wake up. Well, I never stay in the bed this late ever unless my husband's home and he don't get up. If he don't get up, I ain't getting up. Y'all hear that? Because I'm right in front of my window, which I'm getting ready to move from in front of this window. But I do want y'all to hear some of the wind. But like I said, it's nothing too crazy. So there's no action. I know I've been getting like swamped with messages, checking up on me on Instagram and you guys here on YouTube. And like I said earlier, I really appreciate it. But we're good. No damage over here. So we're good for now. So yeah, let's go make us some coffee. I have some new cups that I want to show you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen them before this video goes out, because I did do a reel yesterday I will link them in the description box below. So if y'all want to snag y'all some, make sure y'all order them ASAP, because I did post them on Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram. And now I'm posting them here on YouTube. Now, one thing I can say, I did notice a slight price increase since I posted those, because I think it went up like $1 more. So I don't know what's up with that, but if y'all like them, make sure y'all get them. They'll look really, really pretty with cocktails. I used to make cocktails and stuff like that all the time, but I haven't really been doing it as much as I used to. So I'm getting ready to fix myself some coffee. I wanted to use my French press, but I'm not too sure if it's in the house or in the garage. So if it's not in here, then I can't use that. So I'm gonna have to use my espresso machine. But I did want something just a little stronger. So oh, really quick, my Birkenstocks came, guys. Here they are. So cute. So I did an unboxing on them, so I'm gonna pop that clip in right here. So I had to get the black ones because the taupe ones are completely sold out. So I went with the black. I still really like them. They're the suede ones, just like I wanted. And I got them in a men's 41 because that is the size that I tried on in the store. And I really like the way that they fit. I am still on the hunt for the taupe ones. I really want the taupe ones. So the ones with the fur, or the faux fur in the inside, is really comfortable. But I wanted some that I can kind of wear year round, you know. So love these, and I'm still on the hunt for the taupe. Okay, y'all, so I found my French press, but the presser, I don't know where it is, so I can't use my French press. I'm so sad. So I gotta use my espresso machine. Yeah, I gotta tell y'all about these grapes that my husband grabbed from Costco. These things are so sweet. Sweet Vines is the brand, but they're the candy heart red grapes. Super sweet. They kind of put you in the mind of the cotton candy grapes, but they're like 2 times sweeter. So if y'all like sweets, grab you some of these. I don't like them. Tony, do you like them?
Yes, and it's a healthy option for you.
He's talking about it's a healthy option for your kids, child. You know they put something in these grapes to make them taste like that. It's very, very sweet. My flowers have bloomed. Look how pretty. Look at this one. I think this one will also be that color. So I only have 2 of, like, which one? Oh, this one is yellow. So I just have 2 of the burgundy ones. But look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. And then yellow. And then orange. Y'all know I keep it cold in here, so I think it's a little too chilly in here for some of them. They look so pretty. This one right here, I don't think you like it in here. But I am loving this one. So pretty. I got these from Fresh Market if any of you guys are interested. They're gorgeous.